Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use a gift card to purchase items in PUBG. If you want to redeem a gift card to buy UC or other in-game content, we will guide you through the whole process quickly and safely. Let's get started. On your phone, open the App Store or Play Store. Either one works. Once you open the store, you will be taken to the main page. From there, tap your profile or account icon. Just tap this one. Then tap Redeem Gift Card or Code. Once you tap it, you will be taken to this page. You can type the code in manually or use your camera to scan the code. Once that is done, open PUBG and you can start buying items using your redeemed balance. You have now successfully used your gift card in PUBG Mobile and can enjoy your in-game purchases. Have fun playing and upgrading your gear.